Hello friends. So today we will do a lab session how to create EC2 instance in public subnet. So the steps are as follows. First we click on EC2. Otherwise there is service option is there. In service option there is recently visited EC2. Otherwise there is compute option. In compute option you can get EC2. So click on this. You will come with EC2 dashboard. Here you can see in which region you want to deploy your EC2 instance. Okay, so I am deploying this EC2 instance in Oregon, that is US West 2. So I can see here there is no EC2 instance right now. So click on launch instance, again launch instance, give the name of EC2 instance server name, like I am giving the name is demo server 1. Okay, now application and OS image, that is Amazon machine image, AMI. So AMI is the template that contains the software configuration, that is operating system, application server and application required to launch the instance. Okay, so this AMI ID will be different for every region. Like you can see here, this is the AMI ID in last 19577. Now I am going to another region, that is US West 1. Okay, so here you can see it is different. Okay, so whenever we are going for automation, we need to remember this. Each and every region have different AMI ID. Okay, so again it is demo server 1. Okay, now I am selecting Amazon Linux AMI. Okay, now instance type, you can select any of the instance type. Previously I have shown you different types of EC2 instances. Now I am selecting T2 micro, but is because it is free tier eligible. Now key pair name, so create a new key pair. I am clicking on this. Now enter any name like demo server Oregon. I am selecting RSA and .pem and create key pair. It will be downloaded automatically. Okay. Now going down, network setting. Every region in AWS having default VPC. Okay. So we can continue for the learning purpose with default VPC. In later section, we will study about how to create custom VPC, custom subnet. All these things we will learn. Okay. So auto assign public IP I have enabled. It's by default enabled. Create security group. I am doing allow SSH traffic from anywhere for the lab. Okay. Configure storage. Add gib GP2. Okay. Now in advanced details. In advanced detail, if you go, you can see here. You can request the spot instances. We will discuss in later sections. DNS host name. Now instance auto recovery. We will discuss on later section. Shutdown behavior. All these things we will discuss in later lab session. So coming to launch instance. So it will create our EC2 instance. You can see it is instantly uh, means launch the EC2 instance. If I click on this, it will give the filter out this instance ID. and it will show the demo server 1. Okay, so I am clicking on this, and I can see it is in pending state, and it is T2 micro. If I click on this, I can see all the information related to this, like details having instance id, public ipv4, private ipv4 address, what is the instance state, and in security you can see like what is the owner id, what is the security group. In networking section you can see about the vpc id, what is the private ip, public ip, subnet id. And if I go in storage, you can see here the EBS and status check. You can check that system status check is running, instance status check is running, monitoring. By default, Amazon is providing monitoring section where we can see the CPU utilization status check failed, which is from Amazon side. Okay, so these are the statics for the monitoring purposes. And text, whatever text we can say, like here we have given the name as the key value pair, and demo server 1 is the value. So it's all about the introduction. Now if we want to connect this EC2 instances, like there is option of connect, but here if I directly connect to instance, like I will show you. If I going to connect it, it is taking time, and now we can see uh, we have connected. Okay, so pwd, this is the EC2 user. Okay, and now uh, if I wants to see the OS release, then you can see here what is the OS version. You can see CentOS, RHEL, Fedora. So this that all about today's session, and we will discuss how to log in using the putty or mobile xterm in later section. So thanks all of you, and keep watching my videos, and share, subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.